Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Doing something I don't think I've done on my channel yet. At least I was trying to think if I had. And I don't think I have. I've had some barbecue yet. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, but I love barbecue. Love, love, love. I love everything about it. Tastes awesome. So I'm actually at a place I happen to know about. It's on the way to work. So I figured I'd go early, like I typically do. Get myself some Q. What I ordered is the pulled pork sandwich. And it comes with waffle fries. And I also got the cornbread. Because I love cornbread too. I might actually... hold that up. I might turn the camera down and show it to you before I start eating. Because I don't typically do, but we'll just make it acceptable. Look at that. So we got the pulled pork, got the cornbread muffin, and of course I got my favorite waffle fries, or not waffle fries. Well, they are waffle fries, but they're sweet potato fries. Oh man, so good. And they give you a bun too, which they toast. Oops, as it slides off my leg. But I appreciate the fact that they put the meat separate from the bun so it doesn't get the bun all soggy. I almost don't have enough room to eat. Wow. Sweet potato fries are like the best thing ever. Well, let me get a little situated and I'll just bring it back. So my balance today seems a little off, so I just set everything down on the seat. Which I seriously need to get in here and vacuum my car out. It's been raining. So we got the muffin, buttered. I decided to go with the spicy sauce. Got the pulled pork prep set up. Been just mounting on the fries while I'm getting ready. Alrighty. See if I can do this without spilling it everywhere. Oh, I spilled it everywhere. Wow. Like a river of juices just. Alright. Wow, man. Can't hold anything today. Everything is falling over. So I took my knife and I cut the bottom tray off just so I wouldn't have to worry about spilling it everywhere. Oh man. Oh yeah. Man, just such juicy meat. And I just knocked the whole tray over. Wow, so I'll say this, the food is phenomenal. Me, not so much. I spilled it, slopped it, dripped it all over the place. And naturally, because I just pulled these pants out of the closet while I was doing laundry earlier today, I already spilled sauce all over them. I can only help but laugh. So let's run over their menu real fast, and then yeah, we'll wrap things up. Alright, so I'm trying to freehand this. So here's the menu. Excuse me. So one thing I love about their menu, man, and you do more hands, is the fact that they just focus on they don't have a huge menu, and I appreciate the fact they just focus on the barbecue. Not a lot of extra crap, no extra stuff. Do something and then do it really good, and I appreciate that. So we got sandwiches and salads. We got the pulled pork, barbecue chicken, sliced beef brisket. Now you can see the prices. Now those comes with 2 sides, so you can get, I'll have to run over the sides. So you got side dishes. I'll just scroll down the side dishes real quick. So you've got country beans, macaroni and cheese, hand-cut fries, sweet potato waffle fries, loaded baked potato, which I'm sure is at dinner, not during lunch, but I didn't ask. Come on, Win. Throwing the menu around. Potato salad, coleslaw, green salad, and cornbread muffin. So I went with the sweet potato fries and a cornbread muffin. They have barbecue chips, which they probably make in-house. I didn't ask. Sweet potato fries, you can get a whole pound of them for $10.50. We got the schooner salad. Hoping that shows up all right. And then the beef brisket dip. Now, I do love a good dip sandwich, so. Sliced beef brisket on a toasted hoagie, topped with Havarti cheese, served with au jus, and a choice of 2 sides. And they didn't, and I hope they have it, but I love horseradish on my dip. We got the entrees. You got ribs, beef brisket, tri-tip, pulled pork, smoked chicken, and then you got the combo plates. You got you got your ribs, chicken, ribs, brisket, chicken, brisket, pulled pork. We got the windows open because it's a little warm out, and then we got the family combos on the back. Just hoping that shows all right. And then the back of the menu, you can build your own plate. So you got meats, side dishes, the same side dishes as the front. And then you got family portions, so if you want to come in and buy a whole bunch of ribs, brisket, or pulled pork, and get it so a whole pound, $17 for pulled pork, half pound, quarter pound. You can get a whole chicken if you want. And they got desserts, which I didn't get, and they also cater. So really good food. All right. Well, alrighty, I do appreciate you all watching. It's Branks BBQ, highly recommended. They have really good food. And I've actually eaten here, I think this is my 3rd time now, and every time I've been here it's been good, so I just finally got around to filming it. There's another barbecue place up the road which I might go to sometime down the road. And as always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Catch you next week. Alright, peace.